Namaskar. Today I am ready to talk about the phases of walk. The phases of walk or the science of walk. Walking is a very big science, how we walk, and that every different phase of walk has different effects on our body. ये जो चलने के तरीके हैं, वॉक करने के तरीके, ये जैसे बदलते हैं उसके सारे असर हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर अलग हो जाते हैं। तो आज हम चलने के तरीकों और चलने की साइंस के बारे में बात करेंगे। थोड़ा सा टाइम लूंगा मैं। पहला जो चलने का तरीका है वो है वेरी स्लो एंड सोबर वॉकिंग। बहुत ही आराम से हम चल रहे हैं एंड उसका पेस रफली दैट पेस विल बी 5 steps in 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, just like very slow, 1 step 2 3 4 5. We will complete 5 steps in 5 seconds. It is a very sober, very calm and quiet walk. So in Sanskrit we can tell that vicharna, and this vicharna or this walk, slow walk, has a very big impact on our body. When we walk slow, 5 steps, very sober steps in 5 seconds, that connects with our brain. Our brain is cooperating with the whole body, and we can think way better when we are walking very sober, very slow, 5 steps in 5 seconds. That is vicharna. That connects our brain with our body, and we can think very nicely, something very special, very thoughtful. Now, the second is a medium pace, medium speed of walk. That will be 6 steps in 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this medium walking is very good for our digestive system. That affects this portion and gives us agni, the jathar agni, the urja in the digestive system. So this medium walk is 6 steps in 5 seconds. ये इसमें जो मीडियम वॉक है, जो मीडियम स्पीड का वॉक है, उसमें हम 6 स्टेप लेते हैं 5 सेकंड में. It's just we will be walking very slow, that will be automatically 5 steps. When we will be walking medium, that will be 6 steps in 5 seconds. You can count it. That will match what I am talking about. Now this second medium is very good for digestive system. It gives some ignition here in this jathar agni. So the third one is a fast walk. This जो तेज वॉक है या फास्ट वॉक है, that will be 7 steps in 5 seconds. 7 steps in 5 seconds. Just 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That will be 7 steps in the same time. That is fast. Now this is very good for our vat, the energy. It gives urja, the agni, to the whole body. That is a vat. And the vat, out of vat, pitta and kapha, vat is the controller, the king of all that. If vat is good, everything will stay good. सो हमने क्या बात की? हमने बात की एक स्लो सोबर वॉकिंग जो कि 5 सेकंड में 5 स्टेप है। फिर हमने बात की मीडियम वॉक की जिसमें 5 सेकंड में 6 स्टेप हो गए। देन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द फास्ट वन, द 7 steps in 5 seconds. This is good for the Vata. And now, when we talk very fast, we talk about very fast walking, that will be roughly 8 steps in 5 seconds. Seconds are same, but with the speed that steps go more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the same time. Now this fast one, when we walk, is good for the muscles. They get power. But the best one for our thought process, for our whole body, is the vicharna, the sober walk. And that sober walk is something very special, and that should stay, roughly we should do that for 30 minutes. If we do that for 30 minutes, we are in a wonder shape. If we design a habit to do that vicharna, the sober walk, 30 minutes, that is very good. But the medium, the fast, and the super fast, we can do 20 minutes. So this is a science of the walk. Just somebody can think that walking is just a walking. It's not a walking. It is a science. Everything has a science embedded into it. We can't compare that sober and a very fine walk, 5 seconds and 5 steps, with the last one. Both are different. So we should know more knowledge, more information, more nice effects. We can do walk with our requirement. If we want to think something and try to give peace to our body, we can do that 5 seconds. 5 steps, 5 seconds, that sober walk. Then if we are requiring some digestion and all that, we can do the medium one. So this way, now in our mind there is a new chapter how to walk. Otherwise normally we think, oh क्या फर्क पड़ता है, ऐसे चल लिया वैसे चल लिया, हमने चल लिया. Normally a layman or a person who is not scientific, who is not in a position to design something better, he will think, वो यही सोचेगा कि चल लिया घूम लिया, that is the same thing. No, it is not same. We will have to think, we will have to gather knowledge, we will have to open more chapters of knowledge in our mind to design better things. Now today we talked about walk. Keep in mind, when you walk for any purpose, the way you are walking, think in your mind you are getting the same thing. Not anything, you are doing this and you are getting no, it will never happen. Okay, namaskar, and I will be there in front of you again with a very fantastic, magnetic thing. I wanted to give you every day some new chapter to do something. Namaskar.